If you're a music educator looking to up your game in terms of creating more effective and attractive video content for your students, I have great news for you. This summer, I'll be leading an online course just for you. Entitled Lights, Camera, Learning, Video in Music Education. This multi-week course will cover topics of interest for music educators, especially as they teach in today's remote learning environment. Offered by the University of the Arts, Lights, Camera, Learning allows video novices to learn basic to intermediate video production techniques, while participants with more experience and confidence will have the flexibility to go deeper into advanced topics as they learn. Elementary teachers will want to know how to create rhythm clap-along videos, bucket drumming tutorials, and play-along videos, cup rhythm videos, or music reading videos with engaging drill and practice components. Instrumental and choral teachers want to know how to create videos that introduce new notes or new rhythms, or some performance technique, or videos that explain how to play music from a lesson book or a concert selection, or special seasonal music that motivates kids to practice. Middle school general or high school elective music teachers want to know how to create videos that explain and illustrate music topics in a clear manner, or composer or style period videos, or music theory tutorials that illuminate, or how-to videos for an app that's used in class. Topics of interest to all music teachers these days include producing virtual ensemble videos, having students score a video by adding their own music or editing others' music and adding sound effects, incorporating video from a document camera or other external camera, and employing green screen effects. So, what video production app will we be using in this class? There are many wonderful video production apps available for educators. They usually fall along a spectrum from those that are easy to learn and use but have limited features, such as the computer-based apps like iMovie, or web-based apps like Screencastify or Loom, and then all the way up to full-featured professional video production suites, but that have much steeper learning curves like Apple's Final Cut or Adobe Premiere. Educators new to video production usually find enough features and enough learning challenge from the entry-level apps. iMovie has surprisingly attractive titles and templates, but comes up short for screen recording, whereas the others are primarily for easy screen recording, but not much else. The pro-level apps have dozens more features and can do just about anything, including simultaneous multiple camera video recording, multiple foreground and background layers of video, and all sorts of cinematic effects. For most educators, I've found Camtasia to be the right combination of an easy-to-learn and use app for creating videos and one with many of the pro-level features that make those videos effective and attractive. I'd love to have you join us this summer for Lights, Camera, Learning. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. If so, a well-made video is worth 10,000. I know this online class will deliver instantly useful skills for teacher participants. And I know you'll enjoy unleashing your creativity doing each week's class project. In fact, here's what recent students of Lights, Camera, Learning had to say after just 1 week of taking the class.
It was kind of exciting once you get going to see all the things you can do.
One of the things during distance learning was that I felt limited after a while. And now I'm finally seeing that I can do a lot of the things that I've been wanting to do.
I got so excited using this because I'm like, this does all this really cool stuff. If I want to annotate something a certain way or show something, I'm sort of a little overwhelmed by everything, but also I just kind of really enjoy doing it.
It's exciting what you can do having no experience and just going through tutorials that you gave us.
It was just great to see how many different effects you could do and how people told their stories?
Well, first of all, I really loved watching your videos and learning a lot, getting ideas for maybe to add to my next videos.
And I really wish I had this back in the spring, because using the graphics and all those annotations, it would have been much easier to make my point when I did a teaching lesson.
This online course, consisting of weekly learning modules supplemented by synchronous video conferences with me, is open to participants anywhere. To learn more about the class or to register, just click the link in the description just below. I hope I have the honor of working with you this summer in the class. Lights, camera, learning.